Why your dark spots won't go away and what to do about it. Dark spots are one of the most difficult skin conditions to treat. You may be using the wrong products, or worse, being given the wrong treatment. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kour, and I'm here to tell you that despite your history with dark spots, they can be removed. You simply need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the cause. Believe it or not, there are many reasons for dark spots. Just identifying and eliminating the main cause will help you clear many spots on their own, while also preventing any new ones from appearing. Most commonly, dark spots are just residual remnants left behind by some other skin condition. This is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH. PIH is mostly caused by acne, eczema, or any trauma or irritation to the skin. Other reported causes are infections, bug bites, burns, razor bumps, rashes, allergic reactions, psoriasis, medical or cosmetic procedures. It's also more common in people with darker skin. PIH can affect either your epidermis, which is your skin's surface level, or your dermis at a deep level. Apart from PIH, there are other causes of dark spots like melasma, freckles, birthmarks, lentigens, dermatosis papulosa nigra. Step 2. Identify the depth of pigmentation. Dark spots which are superficial are easier to fade and treat. The deeper, older and darker the pigment, the harder it is to treat. For this step, it's best to see a dermatologist to understand the depth of your pigmentation. Step 3. Right products and procedures. Finally, depending on step 1 and step 2, you'll need to understand the right way to treat, which is either through a product or a procedure, or even both. This is where you need a dermatologist to guide you. Meanwhile, let me tell you more about products and also procedures so that you are taking a well-informed decisions. Number 1 is topical creams. Topical creams with triple combination therapy, that is creams that include these 3 agents like hydroquinone, topical retinoids, topical steroids, are a clinically effective and a potent way to treat dark spots. Very effective in melasma as well. But it is important to use as directed only for proper results. Topicals such as zinc sulfate, arbutin, azelaic acid, kojic acid, and some cosmeceuticals can be added as a second line of treatment. Procedures. Chemical treatments. They remove the uppermost layer of skin, which decreases the pigmentation while inducing collagen production. That helps you get rid of dark circles. The effectiveness depends on the type and strength of the peel. Lasers. It blasts away the pigment in your skin, which again helps improve the collagen production. That removes the fine lines around your eyes. Dermofillers and Botox. For people who have dark circles from volume loss and have the lines around the eyes, this is the best solution. Fillers can replace the lost volume. Botox can relax the lines around the eyes, giving you a refreshed look. If you found this useful, do subscribe to support us. We do many fact-based skincare videos that will surely benefit you. Thank you.